How about this? My chainsaw's not working right now. I have to do some work to that to get it going so I can cut. I got a sawzall. I'm thinking about coming out and just giving that a try to at least get some of it off of it. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I think I may have to put this bail on though. I don't feel like getting stung in the face today. Fly there. Get out through there. Where are you girls at? There. They're not acting horrible, but I had a couple of them come by my head so far, but nothing too bad. They're actually acting a lot better than I thought they would be, considering everything. They're definitely finding it out. I don't blame them. So I got cut down so far anyway. It's got this one bigger branch right there to go. And then it'll just be left with this here. Actually, I got that one branch right there coming down too. Right there. Right here, this one here has got to be cut still. And after that, we're down to this last little bit right here. Main part. It's an old one, but it usually gets the job done. She does the job. We're gonna fire it up here in a few minutes to get the rest of that big tree back there off that pine. Still not running the best, but I don't have a whole forest or no big old whole tree to cut up, just that rest of that one, so should work. I can get it taken care of here as soon as I can anyway, to tear it apart and rebuild it. The carburetor's what's messing up on it. Get it all cleaned up and stuff here. see the way that's had that angle back a little bit too. That's why I put that little deal out there to kind of help the had all that rain coming and going, trying to keep some water out of it. I got it sitting a little bit better than what it was. They're doing good though. They're jamming. Look at them. They're doing good. This is that swarm that came out of this apple tree this past summer. Come on, come. They definitely bringing that pollen. Definitely bringing that pollen in real good.